Buena. Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Jinlin Berdandino Guardanti, 42 years old, from Barangay Kinalangay, Viejo, Malinaw, Aklan, Philippines. I am a single mother of 2, 13, and 10 years old. I am a college level of Bachelor in Elementary Education at Aklan State of University. I have a work experience way back 2017 until this April 2026 at Doha, Qatar as a nanny of a newborn and 1 year 9 months old. I serve 7 members of family, including 2 adults and 5 children, age of 12, 9, 7, 1 year and 9 months old, and a newborn. My boss is a businessman and my madam is a housewife. I work to their family for almost 8 years plus. My employer have a 2-story of house, 6 bedroom and 8 toilets. My duties and responsibilities is to look up the children, most especially the newborn and a 1 year 9 months old, giving them a nutritious food on time, giving them a bath and to dress up. I bring and pick them in the school and I also help them to their homework. I spend my time with them by giving a fun learning activities like drawing, coloring, identifying shape, animal, counting numbers, and reading. Most importantly, I make sure that they are safe. Aside from that, for this previous year, I doing housework like Arabic dishes, ironing, laundering, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house as well. To my future employer, I hope to work with in the future to provide my children's need and I giving them a better education. I Don't worry, Madam and Sir. I am willing to learn. I am a trustworking, honest, and responsible person. I am a loving, caring nanny. I love your children like my own. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Domnisio sa Tibine Quantisi. Thank you very much, ma'am.